guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post some double haul videos, shopping, all that. If you like those kind of videos, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. Today's haul is a penny haul from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree penny haul. There you go. I have so many things. I'm so excited. It won't be probably like a long video, but like I need to get this out there so you guys can go hunting. You know what I'm saying? So, first bag. So we have, this is an old penny, but I found them again, and I love these. They're just the little oodles and noodles Post-it notes, and if you've never seen these before, I'll show you what they look like. Sure, once I can open it. I know I have a garbage bag going somewhere near me, but they're just these little oodles and noodle Post-it notes, and these are a penny, so if you see these, snag them. Then, we got, these were $1, but they're just in this bag. 3-pack of composition notebooks are $1 right now. But then, we got tons of these Post-it notes, because they are great for gifts and raffle bags and donations and stuff like that. So, tons of those. Got my penny receipts. Then we got the LA Colors Nude Glow Blush and Peachy Keen. I love this because this is definitely like a bronzer blush duo situation for me. So we got that. Then we got the Mask Bar Brightening Biocellulose Mask. And the employee was real weird about selling these. She's like, we're not supposed to sell these. But it's like, well. And these were the only two like on the shelf, so it's like, it's fine. So I got these. Then we got the color changing beauty blender makeup sponge. So only the color changing ones are a penny. So if you see the color changing ones, they're a penny. The other ones are not. So, and then we got, it's just the same thing, yeah, just the other mask bar. So that's it for this bag. Now on to more stuff. My lights are flickering. Great. Then we got the trash bags, multi-use trash bags. So, and you get 10 large bags in these. Great for travel, bedside, kitchen, holds up to 500 grams, tear, and stick. So, we got the black ones. We got the blue ones. I had no idea they're different colors either. Got the blue ones. Got the white ones. And this is the barcode in case you needed it. Then we got the beige. Never knew these came in beige. What this means. Oh, and then we have beige again. And then blue and white. So those are all the different colors of the trash bags, and honestly, for a penny, can't beat it. Then we found some chalk markers. So we got the chalk writer, and we got green. We got blue. And here's the barcodes. And then blue and green again. And then got the DC Paint Your Own Superman little paint thing. I don't know why I only picked up one. I went back literally the same day later, like a couple hours later, everything was gone. Here's the barcode for that one too. So that's that bag. We have more. Then we got the Wild Cherry Little Trees. Yeah, bookmark air fresheners. So they do smell strong. Then we got some of the serum blushes. Creamy serum blush. So we have Sweet Pink, Rose Dust, Sweet Pink again. Rose Dust. I think those are the only two shades, I think, right? Make sure. Yeah, Sweet Pink, Rose Dust, Sweet Pink. Yeah, those are the only shades. So that's that. Perfect for the gift bags. Then, in this bag, we got the Pumping Lip Gloss in Magenta. Oh, another Sweet Pink Rose. Sweet Pink blush, I mean. And then, what's this? Oh, another trash bag. Then we have, sorry, everything's like mixed together. We have, okay, magenta. I know there's another fruit scent. Okay, here it is. And then watermelon. I think those are the only ones that I've found so far. Are watermelon and magenta. Yeah, watermelon. Yeah. But today I'm going to stores that I haven't been to. So I'm really on the hunt today. Yeah, watermelon, magenta, that's all I found so far. So I hope I find the plum, and I know there's other ones. Okay, Rose Dust, yeah. So, that is what I found. Watermelon, magenta, yeah. That is what I found so far, Pennywise. Hopefully I find more stuff today. If not, this will just be the video, but I'll do an outro when I come back today and I don't find any pennies. But I hope I do, because these are stores that I haven't been to, so I really hope there's some pennies. Let's hope. I also have some like 75-cent discounted products I'm still going to show. So we have the Poof Paste Drying Paste. It was 75 cents. We have my favorite silicone lip scrubbers, 75 cents. Oh, everything's falling. My favorite setting spray, 75 cents. Primer, 75 cents. And then this is what I'm most excited for, 75 cents. So pretty good deals for 75 cents. Now we go to pennies. Okay, we have our last bags of pennies for this video. So finally, the hydrating primer serum went pennied at my store. So I know they're like half full, but for a penny, you know, you can just shake them up. You know what I'm saying? So got the primer serum for a penny. So that's what is in this bag. And if you don't get them, they throw them away when they find that you had a penny. So that's why I just get them all, because they pitch them. You know what I'm saying? Then I found the little like Superman paint kits. These are so good for gift baskets. So we got this one. We got this one. And there were rows and rows and rows of these. So again, I don't feel bad for taking a lot, especially because I do gift bags. So got these, so our pennies. So we got those. Then we got our receipt. We got this pink and purple and white headband from Sophie. And then we got this hair clip from Sophie. I love the cheetah print. Then we got this one. I think it's the same that I just showed, but in case it's not, there it is. And there's the barcode, which is called UPC. We got that for a penny. And then we got these really cute hair clips for a penny. So I keep saying for a penny. And then I found another instead of trash bags, which these are great for cars, your house, whatever. So we'll bunch of these, and these are blue. So I think that's everything that was in my bag for a time. But that's all I could find, but I'm not complaining. So hopefully I find a lot more and can make more penny videos. But for now, that is all. Definitely don't forget to watch all my other hauls and all my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.